Hello, today we're taking a look at the brand new Nike Mercurial Vapor in the Chromatic Pack. Just recently released by Nike, they've released the Tiempo, a Phantom, and also the Vapor. I thought the Vapor was probably one of the best, so I thought I'd get it. Here's a look, it comes in a Nike silver box. Here's a look at the label. Pick these up in a size UK 10 as always. Let's get straight into the unboxing because this is a stunning pair of football boots. So let's open them up. So they do come with their own boot bag, as you can see here, which is actually pretty funky. So it has all the Nike text on the front there, as you can read, and it's got the transition of colour from a purple to a blue, just like on the boots. And then the drawstrings on the side, one is a blue and one is a purple. So I like how they've matched that pretty perfectly to the boots. So we'll move that to the side, and then here we go. So we'll open them up. Comes the white paper, and then check these out. How nice is that pair? So we've already seen the first player wear these, which was Cole Palmer, wore them in a training session, and I have to say they do look good on feet. Let's take a closer look at some of the details. So the upper is a full white Nike grip knit, but then probably the best thing about this boot is the sole plate. Just check out that colour, it looks absolutely spectacular. So at the front of the sole plate you've got this kind of purple detailing, it transitions to a blue. The air zoom pocket in the middle is an aqua blue with a white swoosh on top. And come on, that is one of the best looking sole plates you can get on a boot, especially on a full white blue. White and blue just work so well together. This boot is stunning. And one thing I really do like about this boot is the full white upper isn't just boring. So the sole plate colour kind of leaks onto it. So at the front you'll see it has that pinky purple look on the white upper, and then at the back obviously has that transitions to blue, and then at the back you have the air text at the back, which is actually see-through but looks more like a dark blue because of the blue colouring underneath, which is outlined in white, which makes it stand out a lot, and I really do like that. The transition of the sole plate and the upper, it just works well. So just look at it from the side there, so good. They've obviously stuck to this colour scheme on the swoosh as well. You can see the changes in colour as I move it in the light, which, yeah. As an aesthetically looking boot, really good. One of the best looking Vapors they've done in a long time. You will see on the outside they've changed the swoosh. So on most of the Vapor 16s you will see the swoosh is kind of like angled like this around here, as you see on the Cosmic Speed here. It's different. They've now moved it back to the side, as you can see here. I don't think I prefer it. We'll go get the Cosmic Speed. So in my personal opinion, I actually think this swoosh looks a little bit better than this one. I don't know why. Maybe just because I'm used to seeing this, but I just think that looks better than this one, but that's just my personal preference. This pack only released in FG, so this is the only sole plate you'll see, unless they've obviously been converted to SG, but they didn't come in SG and they didn't come in AG. It's a little bit of a shame, but I do think it's because Nike is only offering this kind of transitional sole plate on FG. Even on Nike Ideal, where you can customize your own boots, you can customize your own sole plate to a transitional one like this, but only on FG. Hopefully they'll change that in the future, but at the moment it's what they offer and it's what they've provided. In terms of performance, it performs like any other Vapor 16, very good. I'm a big fan of Vapor 16. It's a little bit wider than all previous variations of the Vapor and fits my feet perfectly. The heel comfort is so padded around the back heel there. It really does fit my heel perfectly. There is, however, one issue. The Nike Grip Knit, performance-wise, perfect. It works so well, molds to your feet, grips to the ball, works in wet conditions, dry conditions, really good. However, dirt sticks to it like crazy, and because this is pretty much a full white upper, this is going to last maybe one game and then it'll be brown. So a little bit of a shame. So it's very good and very good looking when it's dead stock and brand new, but once you've worn it, the colour will change completely, and I've not seen anyone wear this yet, so I want to see what it looks like dirty. I promise you it's not going to look the same. A little bit disappointing, but still brilliant colorway. But let me know down below in the comments what you think of this brand new Chromatic Pack. I think it looks fantastic. It's just going to get super dirty. And they have the Vapor, Tiempo and the Phantom GX2. I have the Tiempo on the way as well, so I will do an unboxing of that because it does look absolutely amazing as well. And let me know down below in the comments if you want me to get the Phantom. This is the Mercurial Vapor 16 in the brand new colorway. Looks so good, and come on. What would you rate that sole plate? I'm rating that a good 8, 9 out of 10. Yeah, fantastic. I have actually worn the Vapor 1 remake, which has this firm ground stud, and I actually think it works really well on grass, really aggressive, very good for sprinting and turning, and the air zoom pocket makes it actually really comfortable. I was very surprised at how comfortable they actually are. but they've done a really good job. So well done, Nike. I'm a big fan of this design, but let me know down below in the comments what you think about it. If you want shorter content, follow me on TikTok, but please like and subscribe. It helps me do more reviews, more unboxings, and hopefully let's get some more football boots in for me to check out and review to you guys. But thanks for watching. Hope you have an amazing day. This is the brand new Mercurial Vapor 16 in the Chromatic Pack. Looks so good in white.